Hi friends, here we have to find sum of all four-digit numbers formed with the digits 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetition of digits. That means 2 cannot be repeated, 3 cannot be repeated, 4 cannot be repeated, 5 cannot be repeated. The numbers will be distinct. The digits will be distinct. For example, 2, 3, 4, 5 is one such number, 3, 2, 4, 5 is one such number, or 5, 3, 2, 4 is one such number, likewise. Right. First of all, how many numbers will form? We know basic permutations, right? What is basic permutations? We have to create four-digit numbers. The first slot can be taken by all the four, any of these four. So for the second slot, only three options into three, into two. Third slot, we have only two options. And fourth slot, we have only one option. So that's why it is 4 factorial, which is 4 into 3 times 2 times 1, which is 24. We have 24 combinations or 24 permutations. Right, to put 24 permutations, not combinations. We have 24 types of numbers. 24 numbers we can create when there is no repetition. Right? 4 times, 3 times, 2 times, 1 time. Right? We have 4 slots. Right? Now these are 24 numbers. Now what we have to find, what is the sum of these 24 numbers? Right. Now let's say first slot is taken by 2. How many such numbers are there in this 24? There will be 6 such numbers. 24. First slot taken by 2, there will be 24 numbers. Sorry, there will be 6 numbers. First slot by 3, there will be 6 numbers. First slot by 4, there will be 6 numbers. First slot by 5, there will be 6 numbers. Right, because when first slot is taken by 2, the remaining 3 slots can be distributed by themselves, right? So 3 times 2 times 1, right? Remaining 3 can be shared by these three in how many ways? 3 times 3 factorial ways, 3, 2, 1, right? So when the first slot is taken by 2, remaining 3 slots can be taken by these people in how many ways? In 3 times 2, which is 6 ways. Right. Similarly, when 2 is in the second slot, how many ways are there? So 2 is second slot. That means remaining 3 again. Remaining 3, these 3 can share. Means again 3 into 2 into 1. Right. 2 is in second slot also. We have 6 options only. 2 in third slot also. We have 6 options only. 2 in fourth slot also. We have 6 options. So when 2 is in one slot, just assume that that there are only three slots and the three candidates. So that makes it six. Right. When there are three candidates and three slots, then there are six ways. Three times two. Right. Three factorial. That is six. So what is happening? Total is 24 numbers that we have. Then there are four slots. When two is fixed, two can be here six times, here six times, here six times, here six times. Right. Similarly, four can be here six times, here six times, here six times, here six times. All numbers in all the places they will be there six times. Right. For example, if you take five, five is here six times. That means what is the value it is adding? Here it means it is 5,000. Right. Here it is 5. So 6 times 5,000 plus here it is adding 500. So 6 times 500 plus 6 times 50 plus 6 times 5. That is 5's contribution to the overall sum. Right. Whatever is other number, it doesn't matter. 5 is contributing 6 times 5,000 plus 6 times 500, 6 times 50 plus 6 times 5. So 5 is totally contributing 6 times 5, which is sum of all of this. Is 6 times 5 times 1. That is 5's contribution. Similarly, 4's contribution is what? 4's contribution will be 6 times 4 times 1111. Similarly, three's contribution will be 6 times 3 times 1111. Similarly, two's contribution will be 6 times 2 times 1111. Right. What is the total? Total will be sum of all of this 1111 and 6 common. Remaining 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2, which is 40. So total is 93,324. That is the sum of all these 24 numbers found by these two. These four digits. Simplify this. What we are just doing is, let us say we have only two digit numbers formed with 2 and 3 and 3 and 2. There are only two options, right? Either 32 or 23. Right? Two digit numbers formed with 3 and 2. Now, if you see this 3 is there one time in tens digit and one time in units digit. Right. So that's why this three's contribution is 3 times 10 here, 33, 3 times 10, which is 30, and 3 here, 3 times 1, which is 3. That is three's contribution. What is two's contribution? Two's contribution is again 2 times 10, which is 20. Right. Here it is contributing to 20. Here it is contributing to just 2. In this number it is 20. In this number it is 2, which is this. In this number for 3 it is 30. In this number it is 3. So what is the total? The total of all 30 plus 20, which is 50, and total of 3 plus 2, which is 5. So total is 55. We can directly add also. This is what we are doing here also. What is 5's contribution? 5's contribution is when 5 is in fourth position, 5 is here, 5 is here, 5 is here, 5 is here. All the numbers, 5 is contributing here. It is contributing 5,000. It is contributing 500 here. It is contributing 50 here. It is contributing 5 here. Right. So that is the total of all five's contribution. Similarly, total of all four's contribution will be 4,000 here. Whatever, how many numbers? Six numbers with 4,000 here, plus six numbers with 400 here, plus six numbers with 40 here, six numbers with 4 here. Likewise. So the same number we are just trying to split. So 32 we are splitting into 30 plus this 2. Right, guys? So for because it is easier for us to calculate because we get a format. We can convert it into an equation for to calculate these sums. Right, guys? Hope you understood this. Thank you.